Hi everybody, it's Adrienne with Adrienne Berry Designs, and I am so excited to bring my first workshop to you, Mixed Media Masterboards. In this workshop, I'm going to show you all the supplies that you're going to need to make your masterboard, as well as all the different types of papers that you can use to build up a collage background. Then I'm going to show you how to use gesso and paint to build up a beautiful background, as well as mark making tools to add some extra texture and dimension. Then I'm going to show you how to cut the masterboard to create your projects. A bunch of tiny little projects, as well as some unique larger projects. So come and join me.